So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a data table like this with the help of auto layout. So most times, junior designers always create tables with rectangle. I was also making that mistake when I first started out, but when I found out how easy it is to create things with auto layout, I've always been using auto layouts to achieve anything I want to do in my design. So let's use auto layout to create this table in few steps. So the first thing now, you write a text. So now I'll convert this text to an auto layout. So I'll give it a horizontal padding of 6 and a vertical padding of 8. So just make it 8. So I'll give it this way. I feel like extending the horizontal padding to 24. So this is the head. You can give it a fill to any color you want. So I'll just take the color that is in this place. So because of creating a table, I want this corner to be curved. So what I'm going to do is to click here, go to corner radius, click on this part of the, so that this corner radius property will come up. I'll convert here to 4. I just want it to be rounded a bit. So stay till the end, you see how we're able to achieve this. So the next thing now is I will frame this particular text again, this auto layout, this text that is inside an auto layout. I'll right click again in a frame. You see why I'm doing that in a bit. Then I'll add auto layout again. So why I'm doing that is because I want to duplicate this particular head to get my text. So here I will name it head 1. It's always good to name your elements. So I'll just give this head 1. Then because this is inside an auto layout already, I'll just give this a name. So I'll call this column. Just give it a name, column. Sorry for my spelling. I can just give it row 1. Let's call this row 1. So we'll make another row in a bit. So because this is inside an auto layout, I'll just duplicate this to get my text. So I'll call this text 1. So you see what I'm going to achieve with this now. So this text 1 is not going to have any corner radius here. So I'll just remove the corner radius, make sure these two there is no space between. So I'll just make it 0 because I want it to be joined together like this. So for this, I'll just change this to text. So change this to text and make sure this is filling the container for easy responsiveness. So this is the text. I'm going to change the color to white. So I just want it to be pure white for the text. So now, since we have our text, we can duplicate it to get our first row. So now that we have our first row, so the next goal is to get other rows. So what I'm going to do now is to put this row inside. I'll right click, put it in a frame so that I can add auto layout again. So when I add auto layout, I'm going to scroll down again. Now I can duplicate my rows. So you can see it's bringing up another row. So this particular row, I'll make sure the head, the corner radius that is at the head will be removed because I just want it to lap. So this now, there will be no space in between. I will just make it 0. So now I can duplicate it to as much as I want. So if I want 8, 9, any number, I can duplicate it to any number that I want. So I just want to make it 5. Let's just leave it at 5. So because this place has a corner radius, I'll come here and give this the corner radius at the top right corner radius here. So I'll just give it the same number that I gave there so that it will look the same with the first one. So you can see here they also had the corner radius at the bottom. So here I'll also go ahead and add the corner radius at the bottom of that last text there. Then I'll do the same for this here. I'll do the same here, and here we have our table. Okay, and this is how to create a table with ease with auto layout. So if you have any question, so don't forget to leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much, guys.